Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to fix a messenger call problem. So guys, if you are using Facebook Messenger and want to call anyone on your messenger and facing any type of issue related to call, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, click on Wi-Fi, and guys make sure that your device is proper connected with strong internet connection. And guys, after doing this you need to scroll it down and click on general, click on iPhone storage, and guys after this you need to wait for its opening and scroll it down. And guys, simply here you need to find messenger, and guys after finding it you need to click on messenger, click on offload app and click on offload. And after doing offload you need to reinstall again from your app store. And guys, the third method is you need to update your messenger. iPhone or iPad. And guys, after opening it, simply here you need to search messenger. And guys, after searching it you need to click on messenger, and here you will find the option of update. So guys, I have already updated my app, therefore I have not option of update. So guys, if you have option of update, you need to update from here. And guys, after doing this you need to go back. And guys, after doing all the settings your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, then guys simply you need to open your settings again, scroll it down, click on general. And guys, after this click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, click on reset network settings. And after doing this you need to go back, click on VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your iPhone or iPad. And guys, click on date and time and make sure that date and time is set automatically. And guys, after doing all the settings your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.